This is a tutorial for the Golden Gate Bridge problem. Using the information from the website I posted about some of the dimensions of the Golden Gate Bridge, we can see that the height of a tower above the roadway is 500 feet or 152 meters. I'm going to use meters. And I'm just going to draw right on here. The top of the tower to the roadway is 152. We also see by looking at the picture on that website that the two towers are 1,280 meters apart. Notice that I've chosen to use meters, and I'm using meters every time. If I were going to use feet, I could do that, but I would need to use feet every time. So the distance between these two towers is 1,280 meters. Using those dimensions and the grid that's already been set up here, we're going to let our origin be here. So from the center of the two towers all the way over puts this tower at half of 1,280 or 640. So this happens at 640, and then the height is 152. Now that we've done that, we've used, again, the distance between the two towers to help us figure out our x scale and the height of the towers to figure out our y scale. I'm going to erase everything else. And now we can identify some key points. Well, the origin here, the center, is 0, 0. This point, you can see the top of the right tower is 640 is our x coordinate and 152 is our y coordinate. And I can identify the top of the left tower, which would be negative 640, 152. At this point, because I have my vertex, I'm thinking that I should use my vertex formula and just substitute that straight in. So remember, the vertex formula is y equals ax squared, or y equals a times x minus h squared plus k, where hk is the vertex. So we substitute 0, 0, our vertex in for h and k, and we get y equals a times x minus 0 squared plus 0, and simplifying, y equals a x squared. So we're close here to having a full equation for this parabola, but we need to figure out what that a is. And we can do that by choosing any other point on the curve and substituting that in for x and y. So that's what we'll do here. I'm going to choose 640 and 152. So 152 is y equals a times 640 squared. And when I square 640 and divide both sides by that value, I'm just going to do it all at once. Then I get a equals, and your calculator is going to show you hold on, let me double check this. Not 1. Calculator is going to give you 3.7, I'll just stop at 7.1, and then you'll see an E and a negative 9. I'm sorry, a negative 4. And that E is a scientific notation, and it tells you, the E negative 4 tells you move the decimal from where it is 4 places to the left. So A is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4. You put 3 zeros in front of the 3, and that's A. And so our equation is y equals 0.000371 x squared. And that equation will help you plot the shape of that curve.